Fine, let us start solving problem number 28 here. Find the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So we need to find the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. That is what we need to find. We know that the prime factors. So prime numbers let us find out, that is 2, okay, 3, 5 and 7. So then it comes 11 and so on. So now we are supposed to find having 4 different prime factors. This is what we need to consider. And if you multiply this, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. What is the answer we will get? Right here. 7 5 is 35. 3 2 is 6. Right, multiplied. 6 5 is 30. 3 carry. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21. 210. So the answer is 210. Find the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So the number 210 has 4 different prime factors. This is nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7. So therefore the answer is 210. Hope you understood.